is the best possible way for two differentiating cultures to learn about each other, to remove prejudice, and therefore doing a step forward for mankind.
Cultures may be religious or may be secular. There are two types of cultures. According to Islam, if there is in a culture there is nothing against Islam, that culture should be taken as an Islamic culture and it is promoted. For instance, those people who have settled in Germany, who do not belong to German people, they should participate in their cultural functions normally. There is nothing in it against Islam. But if the cultural function is directly contradictory to Islamic values, then they should abstain from participating in that. This is how the culture develops throughout the world. And people of all the countries are represented and their cultures are represented in like a flower bouquet which goes on increasing in color and aroma and in its beauty. So culture is a growing process of all the good values of the people from all over the world, which are woven into one thing.